What's going on, guys? Decelation, and I know it's been a while, but I needed money, so I was building up cash flow. But the 911 is in the shop, so that means the process is about to start. We're gonna get this. I'm gonna take out what's back here, take this table and this engine stand worth of goodies and put it in here. Oh yeah, time to get started. And I guess kind of the fun stuff, I think we're probably gonna start front to back. So we gotta touch a bunch of stuff in the car. So first things first, I got this little box right here, which is a pretty much a 911 GT3 electric power steering pump with fittings and stuff for the power steering, because I want to take as much as I can rotational off the engine we have here. I just want an alternator on that. Everything else is going to be electric. So there's a few things we got to do in order to do that, which that's one of them. But yeah, there's a few things to put as much as possible as electric. That way the engine only has to worry about charging itself and moving the water pump. That's all I wanted to do. But yeah, so now let me get started. I've got to yank out. I'm gonna show you what I have to do. I have no idea this sound system, but the electric power steering pump has to go right here. So I've got to figure out the previous owner's wiring for the amp, yank it all out, because Brian,
what's going on, peeps?
Race car?
It's gonna be a race car.
It's gonna be a race car. So yeah, we're gonna yank out sound system, but there's a little treat. I've seen this done before and I want to make it work for this. It's going to be a race car with creature comforts, electric AC. That's part of the plan, hence why beefed up alternator. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be ran off the charging system of this car, so I had to beef up the alternator. But yeah, it's going to be fun.
And the 36-inch flat screen TV we got to put in there. Gary likes the screens on the dashboard.
That's the other cars. This car's race car. We're not doing that. It's going to be race car, but AC, because we live in Florida. Makes sense, right, Brian?
It does make sense. This thing will get a little warm.
Yeah, so we're going to do... Yeah, sir. We'll get started on trying to trace down the previous owner's wiring and hopefully not burn the car down in the process, which... I'm going to start with the battery. Take that off first. It's probably a good plan. All right. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. I know we didn't do a whole lot of talking, but we did a whole lot of working. So I'm going to show you while the car is up. That's where those holes we were drilling up here. It's kind of hard to see, but right up there. We ran them behind the coolant lines. And it's kind of hard to see, but the rack, hold on. Let me get a light. So, as you see, those were we were drilling the holes for the bulkhead connectors. Came down, hit it behind the coolant hoses, and you just want to be conscious of, you want these hoses away from the knife edge of the body. And then if you look under here, these are the old power steering lines, and we ran the new lines into the rack right there. So should all work. Now this is the kit from Bayside Fabrication. Sorry, light's super bright. Yeah, it's the kit from Bayside Fabrication, and now bring the car down. I got to put the wheel back on so I don't lose it. Yeah, because I can lose a wheel. All right, and then I'll show you what we did up in the trunk area. This is what we did. Got the mounting bracket that you get from Bayside Fabrication. Put that in there. High pressure line, low pressure return. Ran them through, drilled a couple holes for the bulkhead fittings. They are kind of a pain to drill, just have fun with that. But before we did that, I wanted to get this mounted and be able to put the carpet back in. But this is my fuel surge tank, so I'm going to be running 2 fuel pumps. You know, one is a backup and when we really want to turn up the party boost. But this is very solidly mounted. It's not going anywhere. Made some brackets for it, and I've got the battery out right now, but all I have to do, positive, negative, but I want to do something else. Instead of running this straight to the battery, I want to do kind of like a power / relay hub up here, so anything that's not Porsche original that I'm doing for the swamp, have a place to power it up here, so I only have to worry about running a relay wire instead of trying to tap into whatever random wires I find. But yeah, so this, once I get this, is going to change a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna party. This is going kind of race car a little bit, like I kind of previously said. Yeah, so stay tuned. Next, we're working on dropping the old engine, so that should be fun. Definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Peace.